Okay, now we're going to talk about combining like terms in equations, which are a little bit different. Equations all have an equal sign. The examples we did before had no equal signs in them. Those were expressions. But with equations, you must make groups with like terms on each side of the equal sign first. And so you can do that by making sure you know there's a division between each side of the equation. And then we're going to work on combining those like terms before we do anything else. And so, again, we can use our shapes. So I'm going to circle all of the like terms on the left side. Now on the right side, just because I don't want to confuse myself, I'm going to use a different shape, even though it's still an X. They are on different sides of the equation. And so let's work on that. And now we also have a constant, which means it's a number with no variable with it. Okay, so let's go and combine on each side. So X plus 2X would give me 3X. And then I have no other constant on this side of my equation. And so I'm just going to bring down the 6. I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. I have a 3x and a 3x, which is 6x. And I have only one constant, 1 here in the triangle, plus 12. And so now I have combined my like terms on each side and I can solve my equation. So let's solve it very quickly. Minus 3x on both sides because I want to do the inverse or the opposite operation. That makes these disappear. I'm left with 3x. Now, I'm going to subtract the 12 because the opposite of addition is subtraction onto the other side because I want it to disappear over here. Okay, 6 minus 12 would give me a negative 6. So here I am with negative 6 equals to 3x. This is telling me 3 times x. The opposite of times is division. So I'm going to divide on both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. This is just 1x here. Okay, and so negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. And so my answer is x is equal to negative 2.